Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Tutorial, Converting String to Float in Python with NumPy. In Python, particularly when working with numerical data, it's often necessary to convert strings to floating point numbers, floats. This is a common task in data preprocessing, especially when dealing with data read from files or received from external sources. NumPy, a popular library for numerical computing in Python, provides efficient tools for such conversions. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to convert strings to floats using NumPy along with code examples. 1. Using numpy.float64. NumPy provides the numpy.float64 function, which can convert a string to a float. Here's how you can use it. Output. 2. Using numpy.fromstring. NumPy's numpy.fromstring function can be used to convert a string containing numerical data into a NumPy array. Here's how you can use it. Output. 3. Using list comprehension with numpy.float64. You can also use list comprehension in combination with numpy.float64 to convert a list of strings to floats. Here's an example. Output. Conclusion. Converting strings to floats in Python, especially when using NumPy, is straightforward. Whether you're dealing with individual strings or a collection of strings, NumPy provides efficient methods for converting them to floating point numbers. Use the appropriate method based on your specific requirements and the format of your data. ChatGPT.